Hey, successors. It's your girl, Sherri Summers, your Revenue Master Life Coach. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Before we get started, just go ahead and subscribe and click the link if you haven't already. In this video, we're going to be talking about a crazy simple tip that literally transformed my business. And I guarantee you it will also transform your business as well. Listen, throughout the video, if there's any questions you have, you already know the drill. Go ahead and send me an email at info@itssherri.com. Again, info@itssherri.com. All the information is in the description. And I want to get right into my crazy simple tip that someone told me that literally transformed my business. As you know, as a financial confidence, right, as building our financial confidence, one of the things that I think that my clients and so many people struggle with is what they should call themselves, or they're feeling like they have not put in, they're not known enough yet to be calling themselves certain things. Do you have that issue? Like this, they're caught up on their title. Like when I say I'm a Revenue Master Life Coach, where did that come from? How did I get that title, right? Because it's a little different from Master Life Coach or Revenue Coach. So I want to hound in on the title of who you are, right? Or an expert feel that you do. So the crazy simple tip that I've always go by, run my business by, and my clients' business by, is understanding that when you come into the financial space, because what my business help female expert inside of the financial industry build their financial confidence, right? What is building financial confidence? Well, sometimes I have financial coaches, and sometimes their price is way too low to sustain their lifestyle, but they're afraid to ask for the money. Or if someone asks them questions about their financial expertise, it's not that they don't know the answer, but they may be introvert and don't afraid of or intimidated or speaking about their financial expertise, which means those self-talk and self-sabotage stop their financial business from growing because they may be afraid to go live and speak about the expertise or the industry. And if that doesn't happen, the people who are called to hear your message and transform their life cannot hear your message because we're so busy worrying about the self-talk, self-sabotage, or worrying about how you look on camera and all this stuff that we have to overcome. So as a coach, as a Revenue Master Life Coach, I deal with revenue, right? Bringing different revenue streams into my business. And Master Life Coach is a mindset piece that I help my clients transform their business. Because what I realized a long time ago, it wasn't the strategy, it was the mindset that I had to deal with. So get my certified Master Life Coaching certificate helped me be able to help my clients at a higher level to transform their life. Okay, so being said that, one of the things, or one of the ways that one of the biggest advice that I have received over the years of doing business, one of the biggest advice I've received is my clients always say, well, Sherri, I want to be known as a financial coach. And they're like, and I'm like, okay, well, call yourself a financial coach. And they're like, well, I don't have my certificate yet, or I don't have the money to go get the certificate yet, and all this stuff. And I think this come from us. I think this come from other people, or you have to go out and get that degree. And we did what people said. We went out and got the degree, and even the degree is not what make us money, right? Think about Michael Jordan. Was Michael Jordan the best player because he was Michael Jordan, or was he the best player because he was Michael Jordan? And what I mean by that is Michael Jordan was going to be the best player whether we knew it or not. So him playing in the NBA didn't make him the best player. He was dominating before the NBA. The NBA just gave him his recognition. There's some of you guys walking around here with talent and expertise and gifts that God has given you, but you're afraid to call yourself something because if you do, it will look like, oh my God, I don't want to call it. I'm shy. What if people you don't believe in what you're calling yourself. You don't believe in what you're supposed to be calling yourself. So I want to share these tips with you right now. I want to share them with you. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to share some of these amazing tips with you right now. I want to jump into that really fast, and I have some of the things that I want to write down. So I want you to give yourself permission. Here's my simple tip. Give yourself permission to be the expert. Do not wait on someone to say or give you permission to be an expert. I want you to give yourself permission to be the expert. Call yourself the expert and then use work to back that up. Listen to me, rewind if you have to. Call yourself the expert, then you use your work. Use your discipline, your consistency, your routine to back up what you're calling yourself. Don't get caught up in what am I going to call myself and so on. I want to call myself this, but I don't. Listen, I've never met another revenue master life coach. I deal with revenue and I deal with mindset. Period. Right? Period. Help you build your financial confidence. That's what my business is all about. So don't wait on someone to call you a title. Call yourself a title. You have permission to do so. And when you do, you use work to back up what you call yourself. And this simple step was literally has transformed my business. Because when I started saying revenue master life coach, you're like, what is that? Is that a business coach? Is that a master life coach? What is that? No, I talk about revenue mindset. That's it. That's what messing up your money. Revenue mindset. That's it. And I didn't get caught up in what other people say or other people are doing or looking for permission. I have it on my logo. We're on here. You'll see it up here in a few minutes, right? I have it on my logo right up here. I'm always having it there, right? Sherri Summers Unlimited Services, Revenue Master Life Coach. So what are you calling yourself? What are you calling yourself? What is that title that you're calling yourself? And then you work on becoming that every day. Learning it in and out, learning about business. See, in my business, I have real estate properties, I have life insurance, and I also have property preservation. So when I talk about revenue, right? But I know for me to achieve all those things that I have is based on what my mindset is, like what's leading my mindset. So if you haven't seen my video where I talk about financial confidence, the 4 pillars of financial confidence, make sure you go back and look at that video. Subscribe to the channel, go back and look at that video, or join my Release My Revenue Facebook group. We talk more about that in depth. But I just want to remind you, the simple step is to give yourself permission to call yourself the expert. Don't wait on someone to say or give you permission to say, yep, she's the expert. You don't want to do that. No. Call yourself the expert and back that up with your work by remaining disciplined, remaining consistent, persistent, and create a routine of success. Now, if you want to find out how to manifest your first 2K in your business, make sure you click on my website, www.itssherri.com. You can do info too. I'll send it to you. Info@itssherri or www.itssherri.com. I also want to point out to you that I want you to understand that you hold the power. So if you're waiting for validation from someone else, permission is given to you. Permission is free. So give yourself permission to call yourself the expert and then use the power of work to back that up. And once you do that, the universe and everything around you that God aligned will now see you as that and then conform to it. Right? Do not get caught up in the title stuff. Call yourself that and do the work to back up what you say. All right, guys, make sure you join me inside of my group, Release My Revenue Facebook group. I'm so excited. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. All the information is in the description. Click the link and subscribe. Talk to you later.